Welcome back to our video series starring Skype for Business, the enterprise-ready UC platform that provides fast and natural communications with a consistent client experience. Our resellers often ask us questions related to Microsoft licensing when we are discussing their integration solutions for Skype for Business. Whether adding a Polycom endpoint, a media gateway for an analog fax, or installing a session border controller, understanding the Skype for Business licensing structure is vital to a successful deployment. In this video, we would like to concentrate on licensing a premise-based solution. In a premise-based platform, a server license is necessary for every front-end server. You will also need a client access license, or CALs as they are commonly known. A CAL license gives the user rights to access the Skype for Business server. A CAL is required for every authenticated user. There are different feature sets available with each CAL.
There's a standard CAL, an enterprise CAL, and a plus CAL. You can license either a device or user.
External users can also take advantage of Skype for Business. Although in some cases they may need a license, external integrations with other manufacturers' products are where ScanSource can offer you the most assistance. Media gateways from Sonus or AudioCodes would be the best example for an external integration, where we would want to interface with a PBX or the public switch telephone network. There are 4 types of external users that may access a Skype for Business server. Federated users, possessing valid credentials authenticated by a different Skype for Business domain. Anonymous users, having no identity in the Active Directory domain or a Skype for Business server. External authorized, has an identity in Active Directory or the necessary credentials on the Skype for Business server. Public instant messaging users. Licensing and availability depend on the service provider and what the customers want to connect to on the Skype for Business server. There are no licenses required for an unauthenticated user of Skype for Business.
We're almost finished now. In order to access the functionality of Skype for Business, users will also need the Skype for Business client application. There are several clients available for Skype for Business, ranging from the free basic client to the mobile application to a full-feature client available with the Microsoft Office suite. We hope that we've been able to shed some light on the licensing requirements in a Skype for Business deployment. Like we've said before, we've been around long enough to have learned a thing or two. As always, we thank you for watching, and we invite you to follow up with any questions you may have. Send your inquiries to techsupport@scansourcecommunications.com.